Hey, Zach here, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of the sale price on your Shopify store. So we can see here in my store, some of these products have this original price and it's crossed out, and then we have this price now. And you might not want that. You might not be sure how that even got there, and you might want to just remove this sale price here that has the strike through. So let's take a look at product, kind of test product that I'm going to use to show this example. So you can see here, uh, both variants have that original price crossed out and then this new price that we put in here. So let's see how to remove that. So if you go into your products here in your admin, we can see this product is here. And I'm showing you this one specifically because it has variants, and that makes it a little more confusing on how to change. Because if you're just looking here in the back end of the product, it might not be clear what to do. But if you were looking at a different product that doesn't have variants, for example, I think this one, then it would just be here. So compare at price is going to be the price that would have the strike through, and then price would be the current price that you're selling it for. This product doesn't have variants, so that's why this is just here visible for you to see. So let's go back to a product that does have variants. That one that I showed you here on my store page. So we're in the back end of the product, and you have to actually click on each variant and change the price. So if we click here on the black variant, then it's going to pull up all this information. So if you just want to remove it, it's as simple as deleting that compare at price, save, and then you'll have your list of other variants here. So I'm just going to go to the other one and also delete that, save. And now if we go back to the store and refresh, that strike through price is gone, and all we see is the current price, which is exactly what we wanted. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Talk to you later.